good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. It's rainy day here in south area of Bali, and this is Kuta, Jalan Wanasagara. And today, as usual, I will do a motor vlog, and I have a request actually to visit a hotel. To pass by a hotel close by the Lipo Mall. So I think it is in a small alley, and I will drive you to go there and let's see the situation. But before that, I'll just show you a little bit the situations here at Jalan Wanasagara, guys. And I think a lot of you been asked me before about this Rama Beach villa or hotel. Anyway, I've been to this hotel before. They have very nice pool. The room is also good, and they have kind of like a private villa also. And here on the left side, it's Holiday Inn Express. It's another nice hotel as well, and they have access directly to go to the beach. And here, if you go straight, it is German Beach, guys. Have you been to German Beach? You can see nice sunset from this German beach. And here is Sulis Beach Hotel. Well, look at this. A lot of statues. Anyway, this is the situation during the rainy season. This morning we got like very heavy rain and suddenly stopped, and now still a little bit, but I hope it will not really heavy so that I can finish the video. And I think people start to go out after a heavy rain, and now it's around almost 1 o'clock actually, lunchtime. And this is the Palm Beach Hotel and Resort, guys. I've been to this place to pick up my guests, but long time ago. And here, I don't know the name of this street, but let's go and see. There are a lot of businesses here. Later you will see soon, shops, cafes, and it will lead us to go to Lipo Mall, guys. Maybe some of you never been to Bali. You will be like worry if it's rainy season, but again, you don't need to worry about it. Just bring umbrella and then you will be okay. And here there are so many small businesses, cafes like this, tattoo studio also. Wow, there are many tattoo studio. And I think the request is here. This is the Bakung Beach Resort. It's not really big hotel, but it looks nice. I think it's quite old, if not mistaken, Correct me if I'm wrong. And I had nice pool as well, a lot of rooms, and this place is very close to German Beach. You just need to walk, maybe like 5 minutes you will arrive at the beach. And if you go that side, you will see the mall, guys. And this is in front of the hotel. There's a small tacos restaurant or cafe, and some shops here. Scooter for rent. If you want to rent scooter, you can get it from here, or you can get it online as well. And here on the right side is the Lipo Mall, and also a lot more businesses around here, guys. This one also small cafe like this, where you can have your lunch, dinner, and spa as well. Balinese massage, 85k, 60 minutes. 115k for 90 minutes. Hot stone massage, 90 minutes, 165k. What is hot stone massage? A lot of nice stuff here also if you want to do some shopping. Painting, rattan product, tailor also. And here is the Lipo Mall, and they have the Aussies barbecue. And normally at night they will have live music there. Okay, we are arriving here at this Jalan Kartika Plaza. Anyway, I've been to this street many times, but let's see what is happening today. After the big rain, seems a bit quiet. Still rain a little bit. I mean, not really heavy. It's good to walk around even though you don't have your umbrella. Here they have Complex 69. It's like a small art market there. They have the restaurants also. And they have Anfaya Hotel here on the left side. And on the opposite side is the Fabris Hotel. There are some people enjoying the lunch there. But anyway, if you want to have lunch, there are so many options along this street. You have a lot of Indian restaurants. They have Italian restaurant also. International, of course. And this is Indian restaurant, Queens of India. Still quiet by this time, yeah. And here also, Hollywood Masala, another Indian restaurant. And look at this. This is Green. I forget the name of this hotel. It's Green Garden Hotel. It's really big job, still ongoing. Big renovation. So I don't know how long it will be, but looks like still very long way to go. For you that have been staying here, probably you missed it already. So I will update you every time I pass by when it's open. And here, as you can see, there are a lot of nice stuff. Shops, of course, spas, bar as well. Tattoo studio, there are so many. And money changer, BMC money changer. Here on the left side is the Kartika Plaza Hotel. Will you stay here for your next holiday, maybe to Bali? It is a nice hotel, very big, and you can see the beach from the hotel. And I think some of the room facing to the ocean as well. And here on the left side is the Discovery Kartika Plaza Mall, guys. Let's see if it's busy or not. Let's go a little bit inside and see. Wow. The mall is open. The Matahari is here if you look for Matahari. But I can say it's not really busy at the moment. Maybe most of the people like to stay at the hotel, yeah, because of the weather. It's raining. That is Bamboo Bar and Grill. And that is a Spice Mantra. For you that asked me last time, Spice Mantra, they are always open anyway. And here is the Water Boom. And here is the Warung Damar. Is it your favorite restaurant? Yeah, it's quite busy. A lot of people there. Here is Bali Garden Resort, beach resort. Wow, we have some traffic jam here, and here it's busy also. Temple Restaurant by Ginger Moon. And they have Ginger Moon also in Seminyak. This is very close to Kuta Art Market. So let's drive slowly. market, but you can do a lot of shopping. And look at that party bus. It's very early, yeah. It's 1 o'clock. A lot of people there. Let's drive. Hello. Here is Matilda Sport Bar, guys. Busy also. Next to it here is Kuta Paradiso, famous hotel. Well, I think it's quite old already, yeah, but still look very good. And here they have seafood restaurant. Wow, this must be a new one. I mean, they have renovated this place. Where you can see so many kinds of food. I like this place actually. And the other side they have Italian and Stadium Cafe Sport Bar. I mean Italian restaurant, yeah, before this sport bar. And here they have fish massage. If you want to have fish massage, you can have it there. And here, I think most of you know, this is the art market of Kuta. You can go to the beach as well. And this is the Kuta Square, guys. Always busy. I recognize there are still some cars from outside of Bali still here in Bali. So that is Kuta Square. And this is Jalan Tegalwangi, but along the street, I think it's nothing much is happening. But here on the right side, as you can see, still very bad situation. All of the businesses around here still closed. It's really sad to see it actually. And the opposite side, there is a hotel here. The hotel is still open, and there are few businesses also, like small cafe, local warung. And if you run out of petrol, you can buy from this kind of mini petrol. I mean mini Pertamina. You can buy petrol for your scooter or car also. Zia Hotel looks nice from outside. And there are so many small hotels or homestay as well along this street, guys. Like here, Matahari House. I think that one is quite cheap, yeah. Now it depends on you, depends on your budget as well, where you want to stay. There are a lot of 5-star resorts, and they have small like homestays or small hotel. It depends on how you want to spend your money in Bali. Okay, so that's all for today's update from here in Kuta. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.